Full SnapTrader AI Tutorial Full Setup and Review 2026 Guide. Assalamu alaikum. Before we begin, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more trading tools, AI tutorials, and step-by-step tech guides. Today I'm bringing you a full SnapTrader AI tutorial from setup to real-world use, plus my honest review. If you're new to SnapTrader AI, it's an AI-powered tool designed to help traders analyze markets, generate trade ideas, and automate insights, all without complicated coding or heavy tools. Let's jump into the setup first. First, open SnapTrader AI on your browser or install the app. Create an account using your email. Use a valid email address so you can verify your account. Second, complete profile setup. Add your basic info, choose your trading style, and link any market watch lists you want SnapTrader AI to analyze. Third, go to the dashboard. You'll see market summaries, asset performance, and AI suggestions. This is where your AI insights start. Fourth, open the AI assistant section. Here you can ask questions like what's the trend for Bitcoin today, or show high probability stock setups. The AI uses real-time data to give insights. Fifth, use the signal generator. SnapTrader AI shows entry, exit, and stop levels based on market movements. You can adjust risk settings like stop-loss percentages and timeframes. Sixth, customize your alerts and notifications. Turn on price alerts or AI signal alerts so you never miss key moves. Now let's talk about how to use it effectively. 1. Always cross-verify AI ideas with charts and price action. The AI is a tool, not a guaranteed profit machine. 2. Set risk parameters before placing trades. AI gives insight, but you control risk. 3. Use backtesting features if available. This lets you see how certain strategies might have performed historically. Now the review. Pros: easy AI access for market insights, clean dashboard and alerts, works for beginners and advanced traders alike. Cons: AI insights are predictions, not guarantees. Some features may require a subscription. Always combine AI guidance with your own research. Pro tip: don't trade based only on AI signals. Treat SnapTrader AI as a research assistant, then use your own analysis before placing real trades. That's it. Now you've seen a full SnapTrader AI setup and honest review. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment SnapTrader AI below.